Another life of a youth expire.
Sure.
We need a change, dog. Great man.
Bam, boom, bang, bang. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction boss. Now we're here with another reaction for you guys. Not in my vehicle again, with a different camera also again. Hope with a record good, but we're here with Jahmiel, Rich. Official video. They may say, we don't know what to expect from the song. People send the song to me. I'm going to check it out, though. Yeah, man. So, boy, we are trying to do the reaction. I'm trying to give you a two today. I understand I'm giving one yesterday. But you don't know, say, I don't have my car, I don't have my camera, blah, blah, blah. I don't come wind off my head and talk about blah, blah, blah. Like the video, subscribe to it if you guys are not yet subscribed, you understand me? And comment the fire emoji them. So see me, I say comment on this video to see your comment in the next video that I post. And you know I post every single day, 2 to 3 to 4 times for the day. You understand me? We're trying at this time because it's very rough. So we can see what's going for the same people. Rich, Jahmiel, run through. Bosswell visual, Jahmiel. What? Right, bye. The man named Bob and boy ends a while ago, dog.
A joke can't make dog. Brother, so you know what's the man? I'm just little one, brother.
John. Real kid. Man, get the killie them made hot. Your man friend just get slapped away and guess what? Tell one of my friend them and they ready if you go bad on ends. I them kind of man, they a bad man. Me no bad man, them where they you. Me afraid of my life. Me love my life. Go on.
Nah, go now, you know, bro. This thing I need to deal with different, dog.
John.
Tired of the same thing, dog.
Real
just want live some life.
Real meds.
Just want live some life.
Real meds. Yeah. You see me? And every time I revenge I the answer. You see me I say? And every time if run go back go kill back a man. And every time I revenge I the answer people. You see me? Now look what Jahmiel talk about. Go on.
Escape from the darkness. Full time for we see some light.
Yeah.
New vampire when the tool them fire.
See there? The man say a full time for live some life, brother. Escape from the darkness, dog. You see me? A full time for the man them go live some bumbuckle bit life, dog. You see me say? Yeah. Go on, I mean, me see I talk about some positive thing right now, you know. But rest are you that still, you know? Are you create strong like strong, you know? You didn't mean you create them song there, you know? Go on.
Another life of a youth expire.
Sure.
We need a change, dog. Great man. Tajada. Gun buckle, you are rich with rich.
Man, them when they get to open us to some Jahmiel right now, you know. The man say, I'm telling you the gun buckle them, brother. Right now, rich for rich, dog. You see me, I say, I am smart, so you put into tactical of ways to go Babylon a man ends and take away a boy life, dog. You see me, put it into getting some money, dog. Put it into getting rich, dog. Tell you the gunfight them, dog. Rich for rich, dog. Go on.
And when make it out on the switch, with the switch, yeah, give thanks unto the master. You remember, say him give it this.
See him, so. You see when they make it, dog, you know, if you switch. When they make the money, don't switch, dog, but the same you, brother. You see me, I say. You see me, I say. But just make sure you have protection. Because people bad mind. You see me, I say that that's why I can't put on badness sometime. But it rough. It rough. Especially in Jamaica, it rough. Bumbuckle belt, dog. But when they make it, dog, don't switch, dog. Remember where you come from, brother. You can help from a mile away then if you don't want to go back in the place for real. Like, but help. If you can help. The boy dead with all of the money. Go on!
Yeah. Your mama da for good. Your mother da for good. Everybody for good. We're living like Hollywood. Big.
See there? Bumbuckle must living like Hollywood. But everybody for good, especially your parents, them. And if you never have it when you look at them, never, you know, some more like father never play the role and shit. Dog. I still a father at the end of the day. Everybody for good. You see me, I say, yeah, take care of people. Now go on.
Benz man a push, plus my friends take a foot. Now make them draw without me know what strength them a look. They were born in at the ghetto and we won't come out.
Wow.
Now for we.
Wow. Everybody good in and them say friend them for the right time foot. Them friend them for the full step. Full step. I think that's because they want them for your friend them because you want protection too. You make the real world apart too. You see me, I say, yeah, you have to talk. But everybody have a good. You see me, I say, when some boy they say that don't run go retaliate and revenge and think that because strength them a look for real. I strength the boy them a look, dog. You not give them strength what they want, you know. No. Don't promote them slackness. Run tune.
you catch car when I no house. We a pre-big bank account. Some large amount go ask Waterhouse. Yeah.
Big up Waterhouse. This is me, I say, up towel, let's have to live around this. Big up everybody over towel in a Waterhouse. I don't know, chopping reaction boss is outside and the girl them outside. You know? Big up everybody at a Waterhouse. You know? All for man. Run tune!
Marvelina, Malina, Tarina, so we not carry cowin with them off for we. Get a youth when you rise your full voice.
I'm seeing a Marvel too. A Marvel name? Marvel. Yeah, right at the bridge. That's a over Marvel right there. So you see, I say big up everybody over there. So you hear me? I say no Marvel, Joesland. Big up everybody over Joesland. They say, you I say a long time. I just one name right there, Jamaica fan of that. But big up everybody over Tower. Big up everybody at Joesland. Big up everybody at Marvel too. You don't know the chat bridge name of Marvel. You hear me? Big up on yourself over Jamaica, yeah man. Right tune.
Remember them love call squaddy. Tayada. Gun buckle you were rich with rich. And when we make it out on the switch with a switch.
Don't switch. Man say I'm tired of gun buckle dog. No fair man dog. The first thing them do run go call the Babylon to dog. Guess it's not a bad man though. When you start someone who can't finish, I run go call the police. How want to come from? It's like no alright. Easy one buckle. Then if you check your temperature, go cool. Right short.
Give thanks unto the Most High. You remember say him give with this. Yeah. Your mother for good. Your mother for
good. This like up at the bridge there again. For what else was saying miss? No. But you may say that. Look, I get a year done and I made so them slap my boy a while ago, dog. Then, I see my boy a quart now, you know. We play domino with Jahmiel a while ago, and quart and a relax I play him domino. But my boy head still hot. Can friend just get slappy? You think the man there calm for now? Go on.
Good. Everybody for good. Well, easy like a foot. Big Benz man a push. Cause my friends take your foot. Now make them draw without me know what strength them a look.
The man gone on the ends garments will go on and go look on the body now. But first thing him do, he never retaliate and say, yo, come in, go Babylon by the boys. But he go on the ends now, go see what go on the ends and see where the ends stay. And most of the time, I don't know, go see what go on. And you know what, pause video the people, pause video because we don't want to get copyright and the video get black and want to see the reaction. No. So if you want to watch the full video for yourself, without me pause again, giving my reaction, which you know come here for, link to the original video is down below in the description of my video. You can go print for yourself. Now run tune.
That's how you told me your eyes in a man. Tired forget stigmatizing a man. Before you buy a couple gun, better you buy a couple land. Avoid courtoses and avoid.
Get you something up with the bomb buckle best yeah them man. If you get a little money, you're broke and hungry dog and starve. And a man bust up on 100 pot dog, right? Or you make 100 pot. And the first thing you gotta buy one bomb buckle I got for what? For what? Invest that blood clip, brother. Sure. Run tune.
Babylon, yeah. Make the money, invest the money, yeah. Never come here so for stress on me, no.
But don't say it a while ago before people say the lyrics. Make the money, invest the one buckle belt money, youth. Invest it in yourself. Like me right now, I want to feed up myself. That's the first. The biggest investment I'm making on myself. I buy a bum buckle belt car. I know me carry the shop and me can't make the money over make with it. So if make the money elsewhere. So people, watch the ads. Watch the ads. As you can see, we're on a job right now. YouTube was the job. Watch the ads. You don't search a Jamaican YouTubers now make no money star. But run tune.
Me just want to make the family happy. I watch me youth grow for turn somebody.
Yeah.
Gun buckle you were rich and when we make it out on the switch with the switch.
Song tough. One thing about the song people. Comment down below in the comment section. If you sang bad, I want to see the fire emoji them right now and tear up the like button because you get 200 likes per video. 2 biz likes. 200 likes per video. You know me I say? Yeah. So if you watch the way to the party, comment some fire emoji. You don't know chop a regular routine and tear up the like button. Now run tune.
Give thanks unto the Most High. You remember say him give with this.
Yeah.
Your mother for good.
You know them take away your boy life, but you have to understand that sometimes we son them, the youth them, the image of them gay in the house, mommy, out the road. Completely different person, mommy. You don't know it's chopping, mommy. You don't know to know. So I don't want them know. No. A good boy to you, the dog. A good boy, no, mommy, but out the road. All the dog them afraid I'm out the road. You hear me I say, mommy? Just go and hold it. No Lego.
Everybody for good, everybody for good. We living like Hollywood. Big Benz man a push, plus my friends take your foot. Now make them draw without me know what strength them a look.
Strength them a look, my friend. You man them girl guys. Boswell! Boss, so big up yourself. You don't know what's up. It's a boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the reaction. Boss, give now a bad reaction a while ago. You see me, I'm up on the enjoy, like the video, subscribe to the channel for the new. You understand, man? So we are 100K, me I go find a dog. Me reach 20K, I think me not gonna do 20K celebration. But I appreciate every milestone I accomplish on YouTube. And me I go show some I appreciate it. But trust me, the celebration and forward people. It's been a boy Tyrekevlogs. Watch your ads. Watch your ads. If you go start telling them, only thing you say, man, no, Jamaica YouTubers, watch her. Watch a couple videos from now. Watch. I gotta tell them what I gotta get some snippets. Watch your ads. I'm out.